if you want clickable objects in PowerPoint like this, then watch this video till the end to know more. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can show clickable object in PowerPoint. For example, you can show clickable text, images and other things. So this is my PowerPoint. This is a new slide. I just opened it. I have not written anything. I will show you from scratch. So in the toolbar, you can see this is a toolbar. You can see this option of animation. So you need to click on this animation and let me enter the title of my PowerPoint slide. So this is my PowerPoint slide and I will make it clickable. So I will click on this animation and there is an option of custom animation. Just tap on this, and after that there is an option of add effect. Just tap on this and click on entrance, first option, and click on blinds. So now you can see it is now clickable. So I will show you later on. So I will enter some point now and make them clickable. And I will also include one image here and also make it clickable. Let me search an image. So I will add simple image. This is bird image. I will simple add this image here at the bottom. So I will do all these changes. So I will make all this same, add effect, entrance and blinds. So one by one they will come. So after that I will make this bird as also same, entrance and blind. So let me make it full slideshow. So I will press arrow keys. So this is showing all at once. I want one by one, so I will select them one by one now. I will delete this thing. You can also delete from here, remove, and let me do them one by one. So you can make all the changes from here. So after that I will do this one by one. I will click and they will reflect. So you can do changes according to your need. So you can drag and drop it from here. So you can drop it at the bottom. You can change their position. Let's view the slideshow now. So I will click from arrow key. So my title is showing, number 1, my name, my age, my family, and this is the picture. So now you can see this is clickable object is showing. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and if you face any problem you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.